Your bathroom cabinet is probably already full of things that promise to save you from your razor, and yet here we are again, looking at the latest viral sensation. Social media ads are basically a fever dream of perfect skin and impossible promises right now. You see a bottle of oil, someone rubs it on their leg, and suddenly they claim the hair just gives up and stops growing forever. It sounds like magic. It sounds like the end of those annoying Sunday night shaving sessions. But we have to look at the reality of this specific hair removal oil everyone is talking about lately. The name is popping up in every scroll. People are desperate to know if it actually kills the hair follicle or if it is just a fancy moisturizer with a massive marketing budget. First off, let's get the terminology straight because the marketing is incredibly sneaky. It is called a hair removal oil, but it does not actually remove a single strand of hair. If you put this on a hairy arm and wait, absolutely nothing happens. You still have to do the hard work yourself. You have to shave. You have to wax. You have to go through the whole painful, time-consuming process first. This oil is strictly a post-treatment step. The instructions tell you to apply it to clean, dry skin after you have already stripped the hair away. It contains a blend of ingredients like cypress rotundus oil, jojoba, and tea tree oil. Now, those are fantastic ingredients for skin health. They hydrate. They soothe irritation. They might even help with those annoying ingrown hairs that pop up after a wax. Some niche studies suggest that certain plant extracts, specifically that cypress root oil, might have an effect on the speed of regrowth. Maybe the hair comes back a bit finer. Maybe it takes an extra day or two to feel that prickly stubble return. But we need to be very honest about the expectations here. This is not a permanent solution. This is not a home version of a professional laser treatment. It is not going to change your underlying biology. When you look at what real unpaid people are saying on places like Reddit, the vibe is very different from the glossy, filtered ads. People are skeptical for very good reasons. Some users report a tiny bit of success with thinning, but many others just see softer skin and nothing more. That is a nice bonus, sure, but it is not the miracle you were promised. You were sold a dream of never picking up a razor again. The science just does not exist to support a total shutdown of hair growth from a simple topical oil. It is more of an overhyped beauty supplement than a revolutionary breakthrough. It is not necessarily a scam in the sense that it is a dangerous product, but the claims are stretched incredibly thin. You are paying a premium for a moisturizer that might give you a tiny bit of extra time between shaves. If you go into this purchase expecting a miracle, you will be disappointed. If you go into it wanting a nice soothing oil to calm your skin after a harsh waxing session, then it might actually be a decent addition to your routine. Just do not expect it to do the heavy lifting of hair removal. We see these viral trends cycle through every few months. They use clever buzzwords. They use influencers who already have professional laser treatments to show off their smooth skin. It is vital to stay grounded and look at the ingredient list instead of the hype. Your hair follicles are remarkably stubborn. Biology is a tough opponent. A small bottle of botanical oil is a very tiny tool against a very complex biological process. It provides a nice glow. It offers some great hydration for your legs or arms. But you should definitely keep your razor in the shower caddy. You are going to need it. The idea of a magic oil that deletes hair is wonderful, but the reality is just a bit more oily and a lot less magical.